has issued a flash flood warning for
oh my God.
Southeastern Oconee County in northeastern Georgia, Morgan County in north-central Georgia,
Flash flood
Southeastern
warning
Walton
for our county.
in north-central Georgia, northern Greene County in east-central Georgia, northwestern Tolliver County in east-central Georgia, west-central Wilkes County in east-central Georgia, Oglethorpe County in northeastern Georgia, northern Jasper County in central Georgia, southeastern Newton County in north-central Georgia, until 5 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Isolated flash flooding is expected.
Flood warning on
Rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches in the last 90 minutes are common across the warned area, and another 1 to 2 inches are possible. Expect rises on small creeks and streams, and ponding of water on roadways. Some locations that will experience flooding include Covington, Washington, Madison, Greensboro, Lexington, Social Circle, Oxford, Union Point, Porterdale, Crawford, Rutledge, Newborn, Mansfield, Bostwick, Woodville, Maxey's, Rail, Buckhead, Stevens, and Racewood. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. If you see significant flooding, call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-674-4666 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. At 10 p.m. in Atlanta, it was mostly cloudy. 76 degrees, dew point 7.